Once upon a time, there was a beautiful and very dense jungle. All the animals used to live together very happily until there was a mighty lion who later became the king of this jungle. King Lion was very cruel. He used to misuse his power and strength to threaten all the jungle animals. He was so cruel that he killed many animals mercilessly even when he was not hungry. One day, all the jungle animals held a meeting and decided to send a jackal to approach the lion with their grievance. All the unhappy animals formed a union and decided to approach the lion. There was a jackal amongst the jungle animals who was very clever and said to all the other animals of the jungle that we will send one unlucky animal daily to the lion, and by doing this, he might stop killing all of us. Everyone from the jungle agreed to the jackal's proposal and approached the lion. A jackal came forward and said, "Oh Lord, you don't need to kill animals every day. From today, we will send one animal to you daily as your meal. But we will do this only if you promise to stop hunting." The cruel lion liked this proposal and replied, "I agree to your proposal, but I will start killing you again if you don't keep your promise." All the animals were now relieved and they went back to their homes. The lion kept his promise and stopped hunting. All the animals began to roam freely in the forest. Every day, the animals would assemble and send one unlucky animal to the lion for his meal. All the animals were sent one by one to the lion. On one day, a poor little deer was sent to the lion as his meal. The other day, a big bear was sent. Even an elephant was sent as his meal one day. Finally, it was the turn of an intelligent rabbit. On his way to the lion's cave, he spotted a well. Suddenly, an idea struck him. The lion was very angry and he roared when he saw the rabbit. He said, "How dared they send me a small rabbit? Why are you so late? I am so hungry. Now I will kill everyone." Rabbit was very clever. He replied to him fearlessly, "Your Majesty, while my 3 friends and I were coming to your cave, another lion sprang out of his den. He claimed that he is the new king of the jungle. He has kept my friends hostage and has challenged you to the duel." The angry lion ordered the rabbit, "Take me to my enemy. I will kill him too and retain my kingdom." The smart rabbit took the lion to the well and said, "Your enemy lives inside this fort, Majesty." The foolish lion curiously peeped into the well without thinking and saw his reflection and mistook it for the another lion. Looking at the reflection, he roared. His roar echoed loudly. The foolish lion jumped inside the well to attack his reflection. The lion drowned inside the well and died. The smart rabbit went back to the forest and told all the other animals that the lion was dead. All the animals of the forest rejoiced at the death of the lion and thanked the rabbit for saving their lives. From this story, we saw that a small rabbit with his intelligent idea won against the powerful and strong lion. Moral of the story is intelligence can overpower strong and powerful enemies.